To perform division of polynomials using synthetic division or the short method, we follow certain procedures. Let's say our example is 3x cubed plus 19x minus 10 plus 16x squared divided by x plus 3. The first step is to arrange the terms of the dividend and divisor in descending powers. If there are missing terms, we replace by zero coefficients. So kapag chinek natin ang ating given, we will start with 3x cubed. Then from raised to 3, susundan ng raised to 2. So we'll use plus 16x squared and then plus 19x minus 10. With regards to our divisor, naka-arrange na po ang ating divisor na x plus 3. Titingnan natin if meron tayong missing terms. So we have 3, 2, it has 1, then our constant. So meaning, our terms are already arranged in descending powers and there are no missing terms. The next step is write the numerical coefficients in one row. So again, ang given natin na dividend is 3x cubed plus 16x squared plus 19x minus 10. Kukunin natin ang numerical coefficients. So we use 3, 16, 19, negative 10. Ang ating constant divisor ay x plus 3 equals 0. I-equate natin para makuha ang ating constant divisor. That would be equal to negative 3. So ang gagamitin nating constant divisor will be negative 3. The next step is bring down the first number. Our first number here ay 3. The next step is multiply the result to the constant divisor and then place the result in our second column. So we have 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And then we add the results of the second column. So 16 plus negative 9 is equal to 7. Next step is repeat the steps for the next column. 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. And then mag-a-add ulit tayo. 19 plus negative 21 will be equal to negative 2. Then negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Negative 10 plus 6 is negative 4. The last number will be our remainder. Ang ating entries dito sa ating third row ang magiging numerical coefficients ng ating quotient. So we have 3 as the degree minus 1. Ang ating degree ng ating quotient will be 2. Ito ngayon ang ating numerical coefficients. So we will use 3x squared, then plus 7x, because 2, then 1, and our constant, negative 2, plus our remainder, negative 4, over the divisor, x plus 3. Or, our divisor ay x plus 3 times our quotient 3x squared plus 7x minus 2 plus the remainder negative 4. Let us have another example. Our given is 6x to the 4th power minus 9x cubed minus 19x squared plus 36x minus 9 divided by 3x squared minus 6x plus 1. If you have noticed, ang ating divisor ay isang quadratic because the degree of polynomial is 2. Now, let us check our dividend and the divisor with regards to the terms. Kailangan naka-arrange mula sa pinakamataas na exponent pababa at wala tayong missing terms. So, we have 4, 3, 2, 1, then the constant. We have 2, 1, and the constant. Since naka-arrange na ito at wala tayong missing terms, magpo-proceed na tayo sa ating next step. Ang ating given na 3x squared minus 6x plus 1 ay pwedeng i-express as 3 times x squared minus 2x plus 1/3. That is 3 times x squared ay 3x squared. 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. 3 times 1 is 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Ito ngayon ang ating gagamitin para kunin ang ating constant divisors. The next step ay kunin natin ang ating numerical coefficients at ilagay sa unang row. So we have 6, negative 9, negative 19, 36, negative 9. Then sa ating given kanina, ang ating dalawang terms na gagamitin for constant divisors ay 2 and negative 1/3. Ito ang ating ikalawa at ikatlong terms. Binago natin ang sign para makuha natin ang ating gagamitin na constant divisors. Now, magkakaroon tayo ng iba't ibang rows para sa ating 2 at negative 1/3. So, we bring down the first two numbers. So, yung 6 sa pinakadulo. And then, yung negative 9. Then, uulitin lang natin ang ginawa nating proseso sa ating synthetic division kanina. I-multiply natin ang 6 by 2. So, 6 times 2 is equal to 12. And then, 6 times negative 1/3. So, 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 divided by 3 is equal to negative 2. Dito natin ilalagay sa ikalawang row. And then, magsusubtract. Mag-a-add tayo ng given. Negative 9 plus 12 is equal to positive 3. Negative 19 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 21. Then, we'll repeat the process. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative 1/3. So, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Divided by 3 is equal to negative 1. Then, mag-a-add ulit tayo. Negative 21 plus 6 is equal to negative 15. 36 plus negative 1 is equal to 35. Then, we repeat the process. Negative 15 times 2 is equal to negative 30. Negative 15 times negative 1 is positive 15 divided by 3 is equal to positive 5. So since wala na tayong space dito, mag-stop na tayo ng ating proseso. Ang gagawin na lang natin ay i-add natin ang mga natirang numbers. So 35 plus negative 30 is equal to 5 and then negative 9 plus 5 is equal to negative 4. Ang ating number dito ay i-bring down natin sa ating huling row. And then, itong dalawang huling numbers natin ang ating magiging remainder. Kanina, ang ating degree of polynomial ay raised to 4. And tayo ay nag-divide sa isang quadratic. So, ima-minus natin ang ating exponents. Magsisimula tayo ngayon sa x squared. So, ang ating entry sa ating last row ay 6, 3, negative 15, and then meron tayong 5 at negative 4. Again, ang ating magiging exponent ay 2. So, we have 6x squared plus 3x minus 15 plus our remainder. It would be 5x minus 4 divided by our divisor, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1/3.